जेई मेंस 26 के इस क्वेश्चन में एक फ्रैक्शन का लिमिट निकालना है. लुक एट दिस लिमिट. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस, रूट्स एंड log function are and unknowns a and b are mashed into a one giant fraction. Rule number 1 of advanced limits: whenever your limit doesn't approach to 0, make it approach to 0. So let's substitute x minus 2 is equals to t. Because x approaches to 2, t will be smoothly approach to 0. Now we will plug x is equals to t plus 2 into our entire equation when we expand x plus 2 to the 2 to the power 3 and t plus 2 to the power 2, and grouping the terms together, we get a clean polynomial inside our sine function. Notice in denominator, by multiplying and dividing by t square to group our terms, but we are told the limit, whole limit is equals to m. So a finite number, for this to be true, the constant and linear term in the denominator must be equals to 0. So a minus 8 is equals to 0 and 2a plus b minus 12 is equals to 0. It will give us a is equals to 8 and b is equals to minus 4. We break this down into three separate manageable pieces. First, we use the standard limit property, which is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1. And second, the logarithmic term, another classic standard limit t tends to 0 log of 1 plus t to the base e divided by t is equals to 1. And finally, the square root term. By rationalizing the numerator, multiplying the top and bottom by conjugate under root t plus 1, we will get limit is equals to half. We substitute all our terms into this limit m. We will get m is equals to 1 divided by half into 1, which is equals to 2. And this is our final answer. Sorry. A plus b plus m is equals to 8 minus 4 plus 2 is equals to 6.